Publishing your Wishtrip site. Once you've finished building or editing your site and all required fields are completed, your site is ready to publish. You can choose to make your site public or private. If you choose to make your site public, anyone browsing the Wishtrip app will be able to find it. If you choose to make it private, it will only be accessible to those with a specific link that we will send you via email. Your site or site edits will be submitted to our talented review team before they go live. You will receive an email with updates on the status of your site. Even after you've requested approval, you will be able to continue to edit your site, but any changes won't be incorporated into the published site until they've been reviewed as well. Once your site is live, you'll have access to many other features, such as live maps and data and analytics. You'll be able to create location-based games using the Game Builder and dynamic crowdfunding campaigns. Thank you for joining the Wishtrip family.